In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy QuickBooks Online in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, managing your finances effectively is critical. And QuickBooks Online is one of the best tools out there to help you keep everything in check. So let's dive right in and get you set up with QuickBooks Online. First up, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-up page. Finding the right page can be a bit tricky with all the options available online, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Simply click on the link provided or search for QuickBooks Online Sign-up, and it'll take you directly to where you need to be. Once there, you'll be greeted with a variety of options and information about what QuickBooks offers. Next, it's time to select a plan. QuickBooks Online offers several plans tailored to different business needs, ranging from basic invoicing and bookkeeping to more advanced features like time tracking and full-service payroll. Take a moment to review what each plan offers. Think about what your business needs right now, as well as what it might need in the future. It's essential to choose a plan that not only fits your current requirements, but also has room for your business to grow. If you're unsure, QuickBooks often offers a free trial period, so you can try before you buy without any commitments. Now, for many businesses, payroll is a huge part of the financial management process. The good news is that QuickBooks Online provides an option to add payroll services to your subscription. If you anticipate needing to manage payroll, now would be a good time to add this feature. It integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks, making your financial management even more streamlined. Payroll services can be a lifesaver, automating much of the work involved in paying employees and dealing with taxes. If you're on the fence about whether you need it, consider the size of your team and how much time you can dedicate to payroll. Remember, you can always add or remove services later on, but getting it set up right from the start can save you a lot of headaches. Once you've selected your plan and added any necessary services like payroll, you're ready to check out. This is where you'll review your selections and enter your payment information. QuickBooks checkout process is straightforward. It guides you through each step, ensuring you understand what you're purchasing and how much it'll cost. Keep an eye out for any discounts or promotions that you can apply to your purchase. Sometimes QuickBooks offers special deals for new subscribers, which can make your first few months even more cost effective. And there you have it. You're all set with QuickBooks Online. Once you've completed the checkout process, you'll have immediate access to your new QuickBooks Online account. From here, you can start setting up your business details, importing data, and customizing QuickBooks to fit your operations. Before I wrap up, I'd like to share a few additional tips to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online. Firstly, take some time to explore the software and familiarize yourself with its features. QuickBooks offers a wealth of tutorials and guides that can walk you through everything from setting up your accounts to generating reports. Secondly, consider integrating QuickBooks Online with other tools you use for your business. It plays well with many platforms, enhancing its capabilities and making your workflow even more efficient. Lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks support if you run into any issues or have questions. They offer excellent customer service and can help ensure you're getting the most out of your investment. Congratulations on taking an important step towards better financial management for your business with QuickBooks Online. Remember, every business is unique, so tailor QuickBooks to suit your specific needs. And don't be afraid to adjust your setup as your business evolves. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to the success of your business with QuickBooks Online by your side.